Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's your first time seeing me, you are welcome. In today's video, I'll be doing a bright eye makeup tutorial with a nude lips using an affordable makeup product. So stay tuned while we go right into this video. So guys, I'll be filling in my brows real quick, but before then I'll be priming using the Pond's primer, and also I'll be using the LA Girl Pro concealer in Fawn just to lighten up my brows a bit, and I'll be setting using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to keep my brows in place and also prevent oil from coming through because I produce oil around my brows. Next, I'll be brushing up my brows with the spoolie towards the direction of growth, and then I'll be outlining my brows, the bottom and the top. Then I'll fill it in with the same brow pencil from Debbyluster in dark brown. I always use a light hand to fill in my brows. I'm just following my natural hair, just giving it a short strokes. I don't like painting because I love to have a natural looking brows. So next, I'm cleaning the bottom part of my brows using the LA Girl Pro concealer in Warm Honey with the angle brush from LA Girl. I love to use the LA Girl Pro concealer in Fawn to clean the inner corner of the brows because I love it to look closely to my skin tone. So that's the reason why I'm doing this. I'll be using the same Fawn to clean the top of my brows. We are going to the eyes. I'm priming my lid using the Pro primer. This is just to give my eyeshadow a base. So I'm just using my finger to pat that base into my skin. I love to use my finger. You can use your brush, whatever works for you, but I love to use my finger because I find it easier and faster. So I'm defining my crease. I'm setting as well using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 340 just to give my crease a definition. Now I'm using the yellow color in the palette from Tara Pigment to apply that into the inner corner of my eyes. I'm taking that upwards as well. I'm just packing that color because it doesn't really have pigment, so you need to apply that over and over before you get the desired amounts that you need. And then I'll just be packing the orange color next to the yellow, and I'm blending the orange color close to the yellow color, and I'm blending that into the yellow as well so that there will be no demarcation or harsh lines in between the two colors. I'm just blending the edges together so there will be no harsh lines, and then I'll be picking the green color from the palette and I'll be applying that to the outer corner of my eyes. I'll just be packing that color to the outer corner of my eyes. This palette does not really have pigment. I had to go over it over and over just to get the desired pigment that I needed. So you just need to blend so you can get a nice looking eyeshadow at the end. Next is the skin. I'm spraying my face using the Flawless IV setting spray. I love to spray my face first before using primer. The next is Pond's primer. I'll be working that into my skin before going in with any other thing. Now I want to add some glow to my face. I'm using the Nubanbeauty the glow palette. This is their liquid highlighter, so I'll just be applying that to the highest point of my face with a beauty sponge. So I'm using that to just blend in the highlighter into my skin before I'll be going in with my foundation. So I'm done with my foundation. I'm just contouring my face right now. The places that I want to hide on my face, that is the areas that I am contouring. I'm using the beauty sponge from Magic Professional Cosmetic to blend out my highlights. I'm using this small angle brush to blend the bridge of my nose because I still want to see the highlight that I applied there. So I'm just blending that out using that small brush. It's a regular brush. Next, I'll be buffing out the contour that I applied using this buffing brush. Is a no-name brush, so I'm just using this to blend out my contour. I'm using another small angle brush from City Color in E03 to blend the size of my nose, blending the contour that I applied earlier. Now I'll be setting the highlighted areas. I'll be setting underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin. These are the areas that I highlighted, so I'll be setting it just to keep them in place. And the setting powder I'm using is from Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'll be using this loose powder to set my contour except for my nose. For the nose, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me in 340 Cappuccino to set the size of my nose. This is because I don't want my nose contour to be too intense. That's why I'm using a lighter shade of powder. I'm emphasizing my contour line, so I'm just using that Sacha Buttercup to emphasize the line. And right now I went back to the eyeshadow to create that same color that I have on my lid under my waterline. So I just wanted to bring that color down to have the same effect and just bring out my eyes a little more. Yeah guys, this is the final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment right down below. Let me know if this video was helpful, and also let me know what look you want me to be creating next. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss new videos, share with friends. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.